In large metropolitan cities, traffic is inevitable. However, controlling traffic for smooth transportation is surely evitable. Hey Race John, our traffic cop who is facing a tough time regulating the traffic. When soaring traffic goes out of control, managing congestion needs some superpower. Maybe an eye in the sky to monitor and inspect the chaos. So, John comes up with an idea. Now, John speaks to his senior police officer, Mr. Gill, about utilizing a drone to monitor traffic. Mr. Gill gives thought to his idea. So he asks his team to conduct extensive research on drones, their applications and deployment. They realize deploying a drone isn't a cakewalk. It requires high capital expenditure, trained pilots, retraining of workforce, tedious procurement cycle, low ROI due to limited utilization. Considering all these factors, Mr. Gill looks for a better option that is not only a solution to manage traffic but also doesn't reap any losses. And that's when he comes across FLYGHT, an ultimate solution that lands drone services just at your fingertip. FLYGHT is an on-demand drone-as-a-service platform to book drone services for live remote monitoring of a location within the subscribed region. FLYGHT offers incredible benefits such as pay-per-use, which in turn lead to low-cost flight, zero maintenance, no trained manpower, high availability, low response time. Booking a flight on FLYGHT just needs a few simple steps. Start with a single sign-up process, then request a flight and just lay back. The pilot accepts your request and here you go. Simply coordinate with the pilot and monitor anything from anywhere. You can even extend your flight and finally end the session with your feedback. Wait, that's not all. FLYGHT can also help you with emergency response, traffic junction improvement, monitoring mass gathering, general surveillance. No matter what your needs are, FLYGHT has got you covered. With FLYGHT, lead the project hassle-free by leveraging the power of remote monitoring, all while keeping chaos and stress at bay. ideaForge Technology Limited. We create to inspire.